In this video, we're going to be having a look at the BoostChange Pro 3-in-1 magnetic wireless charging travel pad with Qi 2 15-watt wireless charging from Belkin. Hi, I'm Lee. Welcome to the channel. I hope you're having a lovely day. So what is this? I've actually had quite a few of these over the years, and I'm really glad that Belkin sent me this to try this out, because you can never have too many of these. What it basically is, it's a charging travel pack. So it comes in this nice little box, and it's really handy. Instead of having 3 different chargers for your phone, your AirPods, and your watch, you can have just one charger and charge them all overnight with a single cable, single plug. That's the advantage of having this. So you've got this nice little carry case that it comes in, and in there you've got your power brick, which is nice. You've got your cable, which is useful, and I like the fact that it's got a fairly long-ish cable. So you want a cable that's fairly long, and the fact they've put a right angle on here, it makes it easier to put it into, like, up against the wall. So yeah, little things like the fact that it's got a right cable, a right angle on the cable, I like that. And then you've got the actual device. So here it is, and you can see it folds down really nicely. It's sort of got this like rubbery kind of texture to it. And so this is the wireless charger for your phone. Then you've got the wireless charger for the watch, which is over here, and you push this out so the watch kind of balances on there, and then your AirPods sit on there. So I could put my AirPods there, and obviously it's not charging because it's not plugged in, and then I could put my watch over here, and then I could pop my phone over there. And so it's got the magnetic thing, so it sort of sticks in like that. You can have it sitting like this. So I like the fact that it's sort of multi-foldable. So I could have it folded like this and just have everything kind of just sitting there like that, flat on the table if I wanted it flat on the table. But if I wanted to have my phone particularly at an angle, and the reason why you'd want your phone at an angle is because when it's on charge, you can get it to put the clock on, all that kind of stuff. So this is really useful. And there you go. That's pretty much all there is to it. Works well. Some of the advantages of this, because this isn't cheap, it is $220 on Belkin's website, so it's a fair chunk of change, but it is really well made. So that's the first thing I'll point out. And I think when you're dealing with anything to do with power, you want something that's well made and not going to make you anxious that the power stuff's not been well thought out and is secure, and all sorts of safety stuff has been put in. But also it does charge really, really fast, which I think is how they are justifying the price of this. So it does do Qi 2 charging, which means that it can charge an Apple Watch Ultra, which is what I've got there. So it can charge an Apple Watch Ultra, Ultra Watch 2 from 0 to 80% in 45 minutes. And it can charge your phone theoretically. Again, I say theoretically because these numbers are always dependent on factors and that kind of stuff, but it can charge your phone twice as fast when it's charging via wireless. So yeah, nicely designed, nicely built, and that kind of thing. It's interesting though that this is bendy, but I don't think that's really going to be much of an issue when you're using it. Yeah, I'm very happy with it. So there you go. There is the Belkin 3-in-1 BoostChange Pro charging pad for iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods Pro. I suppose you could use a different phone. You don't have to use Apple, an iPhone, but that is sort of specifically designed with where the MagSafe magnetic connector is on iPhones. Yeah, there you go. I hope this video was helpful. I hope it was useful. If it has been, please like and subscribe. If you've already subscribed, thank you so much for your support, and we'll catch you in the next one. Safe and happy, whatever it is you're doing. And there it is in there, and you've got a charging brick, which is nice. I'm gonna reset the focus on that and start again, because the focus keeps drifting. Did I talk too fast? I think I talked a little bit too fast, but yeah, I like how it really, like, it's got, yeah, no, I like it.